Continue. Washing the entire hand. Actually, let me check time. What time is it? Okay, yeah, we have time. So, washing the entire hand. There are two opinions in the Rishonim, in regard to how much of hand must be washed for Netilas Yadayim. Many maintain that water must reach until the wrist, while others state that it is sufficient for the water to reach until the knuckles in the base of the fingers. One must abide by the stricter opinion and be careful to wash all the way to the wrist. So, two opinions, right? So one is up to the wrist, up to here, and one is up to here, on the fingers. So, of course, it's logically, it's understandable. Why would say only up to fingers? I mean, because that's how people eat. Even you hold the bread in your hand. You don't like pull it on your palm. You keep it. You hold it with your fingers. So technically, if needed, if you don't have enough water, so if you wash only the fingers, should be enough. And it's also the thing for morning Netilas Yadayim. So if you don't have enough water, or you have to share the water with somebody else, there is no problem. So just wash your fingers and should be sufficient, right? But proper if you have enough water, if there is no shortage of water, so do up to the wrist. That's what the proper thing to do. Okay. If one in a place where the supply of water is limited, she can rely on a lenient opinion, right? One who knows that her hands are dirty past the fingers should certainly wash the part of the hands as well. Okay. Okay, but many times, just a side note, right? Just because you're going to pour some extra water on your fingers, I mean, or on your palm, is not going to clean it like physically. So sometimes you have to wash your hands, as we said, with the soap, and then wash it with a cup. Okay. Continue. Any questions actually before we continue? Okay, so next piece. So let me see how. No, I'm not going to finish. Proper utensil for washing hands. One must wash from utensil in order to fulfill the obligation of al Netilas Yadayim. So we said cup, right? Preferably with two handles. Poskim write that if regular cup is available, one should use such a cup. If not, it is permitted to use a disposable cup for Netilas Yadayim. So I mean, okay, that's disposable. Okay. So the proper, I mean, these cups, if you want to go like with a stainless steel, like fancy schmancy, of course, yeah, those cost much more money. But simple cups, like plastic ones, are $5, $7. That's it. Some like if you go to Judaica, like the cheapest cup, like $3.50. You cannot go with $3.50. So buy many cups or buy good cups. They're going to last you. Buy stainless steel, like simple one on the internet, $20. Okay. Continue. So, but we said if you don't have anything, okay, wash with disposable cup. If part of the rim of the cup is broken, such a cup may be used if necessary. So it's proper, of course, the rim would be complete, right? But after the fact, what can you do? However, when washing her hands, she should take care to pour the water specifically from the lowest area that is broken, since some of the opinion that the rest of the cup, that the higher the broken area is not considered proper utensil. So what does it mean? What does it mean? Example that Kitzer gives is a pitcher. So you have a pitcher, right, and you have a spout, and it's the spout is actually it's a little lower than the lip of the pitcher itself. So in this case, it's a problem. It's a problem to wash from this side, because this side, like if it's not even, so all on the side, it's not considered to be a utensil. So that's in some sense, it is compared to this broken utensils with a broken lip. So you have to wash from the lowest part. So lowest part meaning up to here it's going to hold the waters like from evenly. But if you pour more, so it's not going to go like the water is not going to go up to the top, up to the lip. Okay. So it's proper to have like even like top. That's it.